Hello. When did you get your last alert?
Can I see your identification? Okay. Well, let me just get up my studio operations menu.
See, you're keeping it in this room. That's nice. Very nice.
And what was that question again?
When did you air your last alert?
We aired our last alert yesterday at 13:20 military time.
Okay, what kind of alert was that?
The National Periodic Test.
Okay. Okay. Alright, when's the next one due?
There isn't one due for this week because of the National Periodic Test, but our required weekly test is going to air next week.
Okay. Alright. How do you generate that weekly test?
Well, first we come over here. We put that in manual, and then we press the button right here below week for a weekly test, and then we put in our passcode, which is 4 digits, and we play the beeps. When the beeps are done, we play the man talking for the required weekly test. When he's done talking, we play the end beeps, and then we put it back in automatic.
Okay. When do you expect to hear them monthly?
We've already aired ours for this month, so it would be between sunrise and it would be between 8:30 in the morning and sunset of next month.
Oh, why's it that time?
Because it's an odd month.
Okay. Okay. I got you. Alright. Where's the EAS handbook then?
It's over here. Here we go.
Okay. No fines today.